Okay guys, so to make sure that the plane will fly well, you can increase the width of the wings. So the span width may be a little bit bigger. If it's so small, the plane may not fly. So adjust it. Make sure that you create the elevators at the end of the wings. Stabilizers need to be even, and hold the plane right here, thread up at 30 to 45 degrees. Check it out. Awesome, right? So let me go to pick it up. Okay. Hold the plane up and throw it at 30 degrees now. Wow. Awesome. Okay. Let me hold up again. Right over there. Wow, wow. So now I can flatten the elevators a little bit. So let's fly up too much. Let's flatten it down a little bit and throw it straight. What else you can tell me about this plane? This flies very, very far. Pick it up. Let's fly a little bit more to the left. That's why I will make a little bit more on the right to help balance the wings. Adjust the head of the plane as well. Through it. Wow! Wow! Let's fly very high and far. Let me try again.